Hey guys, gonna do a quick update on our sweet potato slips. A couple weeks ago, Noah and I did a video. We started sweet potato slips 3 different ways. One was the traditional way in water, the second one was in potting soil, and the third one was in perlite. So I'm gonna do something different today and get behind the camera and let Noah give you the sweet potato update.
Hey guys, so far the water one has a lot of roots, as you can see. They have a lot of roots, so that one's doing pretty good. And then there's the perlite that has a little bud right there. And then on the bottom, you can't really see the roots because the perlite is white. So you can't really see the roots.
I'm sure it has lots.
Yeah. And then this one has the bigger sprout, and if you look at the bottom, you can see the roots. And yeah, if you look at the bottom, you can see the roots. If you look at the sides, you can also see the roots. So far, if you guys have voted for the soil, you're in the lead. So yeah.
All right, so there's your update.
Yep.
We'll see you guys on Saturday.
Bye.